Hi everyone, welcome to YouTube DPP series for GATE DA. So currently we are running a subject which is machine learning. So what you will get in this series is daily few machine learning questions, all conceptual and interesting questions, and this will help you to practice and strengthen your problem solving skills. So what you need to do, you need to pause the video and try solving all the questions by your own. Comment your answers and find the detailed video solution link in the description. So you will find the solution in the solution link in the description or in the pinned comment. So attempt, comment and check the solution. So your support definitely matter to us. If you find these questions useful, like, comment and share the video. Your support will decide the future of this series. Now let's see this question. This is question number 1. Okay, you can solve this question, I think. Okay, this is a good question. I've taken this question from MIT University. Similar kind of question from MIT itself. Question number 2. Then there is a different and interesting question, which is question number 3. Just try solving this question. This question is from logistic regression. Just try solving this question. Okay. And this question I've taken based on the regularization. Just try solving this question. Now come on to your answers in this format. I mean, whatever answer you get, use this format to comment it out. Okay, so I'm really looking for that. Okay, what are your answers, and I hope that you are liking this series. So thank you everyone.